This video is sponsored by Heroes of History. What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. Samsung recently flew me out to Brooklyn for their stateside launch event of the brand new foldables. And out of everything they showed off, my absolute favorite new device is easily the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Samsung's made some massive upgrades this year that genuinely fixed my biggest complaints with previous generations. I've been testing this thing thoroughly over the past few weeks, and today we'll be breaking down my top 5 new features. Let's go ahead and get started. Starting off at number 1 is the size and the overall design and refined ergonomics. If you've used older folds, then you know they can feel a bit unwieldy at times, almost like carrying a brick in your pocket. With the Fold 8, Samsung nailed the footprint. It's significantly thinner when folded, noticeably lighter in the hand, and the overall fit and finish feel incredibly premium. The subtle tweaks to the frame and corner radius make a huge difference in daily usability, making it easier to open, and it's overall just a joy to use. It now feels like a standard flagship slab phone that happens to unfold into a tablet. Tucking this into your pocket is completely effortless now, and holding it for long video sessions or phone calls doesn't cause hand fatigue like it used to. It's easily the most comfortable foldable Samsung's ever built. Feature number 2 comes down to the improved aspect ratios, specifically for content viewing and productivity. The front screen is finally wider and far more usable. It's perfect for doom scrolling YouTube shorts, reels, and vertical content without feeling cramped. I personally always loved the Fold series because I constantly keep my phone unfolded for taking quick notes and keeping my outlines right in front of me during speaking engagements and script reading when making content. However, they really nailed the form factor on this upgraded aspect ratio. When you unfold that main inner display in landscape, movie viewing is a total game changer. The new proportions mean significantly slimmer black bars on letterboard cinematic content, letting videos take up almost the entire screen with breathtaking scale. Speaking of great cinema, my daughter and I actually just finished watching Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey over the weekend. It was hands down one of my favorite movies of the year. It really made me realize how much I love seeing historical and folklore characters brought to life in modern media. I'd actually love to see epic adaptations of figures like Achilles or Helen of Troy featured even more in movies and gaming, and that's one of the main reasons I've been enjoying today's sponsor, Heroes of History. If you love strategy, city builders, or hero collectors, you have to check this one out. What I personally love about the game are the tactical battles, especially the epic boss fights, where you command mythological and historical figures whose skill sets actually reflect who they were in real history. Right now, they're running the Great Odyssey event where you can take down Scylla in a brand new boss dungeon, plus log in for 7 days to get a limited 5-star hero, Odysseus. Scan the QR code on screen or redeem my promo code SSTARNS to claim a starter boost with 10 antimatters, 2,000 experience points, and 20,000 food. Huge thanks to Heroes of History for sponsoring this video. Now, jumping back to the displays, when you turn that inner screen into portrait orientation, it instantly transforms into the ultimate e-reader. Reading ebooks, digital comics, or long articles feels just like holding a physical paperback page. The text clarity combined with the balanced screen proportion makes e-reading on the Fold 8 an absolute joy compared to a standard phone. Feature number 3 is all about structural peace of mind with improved durability thanks to Flex Titanium. Samsung added 2 structural layers of titanium directly into the display assembly this year. Foldables have always carried that lingering worry of vulnerability, but the Flex Titanium layer adds tremendous rigidity without adding extra weight. The hinge feels solid, the internal panel feels much more firm under finger pressure, and it gives you that drop and scratch confidence you expect when paying flagship money for a smartphone. That brings us directly to feature number 4, the virtually invisible display crease. Thanks to that same Flex Titanium architecture and an upgraded hinge design, the crease on the Fold 8 has been minimized to the point where it practically disappears. Under direct light, if you angle it just right, you can barely catch a trace of it. But in everyday use, whether watching videos, gaming, or scrolling, your thumb glides right over it and your eyes completely forget it's even there. It's easily Samsung's smoothest folding display yet. Finally, feature number 5 is something that we've been waiting on for years, silicon carbon battery technology. By switching to silicon carbon chemistry, Samsung was able to pack significantly more battery capacity into the exact same physical space without making the phone any thicker. And let me tell you, real-world battery life has been an absolute dream for me. On previous folds, I'd often be hunting for a charger by late afternoon. With the Fold 8, even with heavy usage, testing cameras, gaming, watching videos, and running multi-window apps, I've consistently been reaching the end of the day with around 50% battery left in the tank. That kind of battery endurance on a foldable is definitely a game changer. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is easily the most polished foldable on the market right now. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite feature is. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video and hit subscribe for more content like this. Be blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.